Understanding Caught Off Guard, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, caught off guard. It's a phrase you might hear in movies, read in books, or even come across in everyday conversations. Understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of the English language. So, let's get started and explore what it means to be caught off guard. To be caught off guard means to be surprised, unprepared, or taken aback by something unexpected. Imagine you're walking down the street, lost in thought, and suddenly someone jumps out to surprise you. That moment of surprise, where you're unprepared for what's happening, is being caught off guard. It's not just physical surprises. It can also refer to being unprepared for a question in an interview, a sudden change in plans, or anything that you didn't see coming. Let's put caught off guard into context with some examples. Imagine you're at work, and your boss asks you a question about a project you forgot about. If you stumble over your words because you weren't prepared, you are caught off guard. You're watching a thriller movie, and a plot twist completely changes the story. That twist caught you off guard. These examples show how being caught off guard can happen in various situations, both big and small. Now that you know what it means, let's look at how to use caught off guard in sentences. The sudden rainstorm caught me off guard, and I got soaked because I didn't bring an umbrella. I was caught off guard by the pop quiz in class today. I hadn't studied at all. Using the phrase in sentences like these will help you communicate more effectively about unexpected situations. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can expand your vocabulary. Here are a few: taken by surprise, unprepared, blindsided, taken aback. Each of these can be used in similar contexts but might carry slightly different connotations or levels of formality. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, caught off guard. Remember, English is full of phrases that can capture very specific feelings or situations, and understanding them can really boost your fluency. We hope this video has been helpful and that you're a little less likely to be caught off guard by English expressions in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.